Nothing like some good old-fashioned ROM cooking. You're looking at the Tmobile HD2, except it's not your typical Tmobile HD2, believe it or not. It's been Windows 7, well, not exactly, but these are what they're called, cooked ROMs, and I don't know 100% history about what makes up a cooked ROM versus a stock ROM that then get cooked and all this other jazz. Cutting to the point, basically, they're customized ROMs that basically take completely the original Windows Mobile 6, which totally sucks, and just gets rid of it. There's one thing I just love right there is the ability to push yourself up a little bit and then basically have all these quick tabs to all your favorite programs, in addition to even quite a few more that you could add, whether it's a contact. In some cases, maybe you have a favorite site that you just want to have a direct link to. That's always a good thing. And then, of course, the regular one that you would choose, which is any of the programs that are listed under either stock installed or installed after the fact. And as you can see, there are quite a few, and I have not even had this phone up too long on this new Energy Cooked ROM, as they're calling it. Total Commander, meant for geeks like myself. If you know what Total Commander is, and you see it's on one of these phones, well, you know what it is. Anyway, I don't suggest you ever using this program unless you know what you're doing or you even know what the program does. That should be your prerequisite. Get back to the home screen. You know, you can actually do a little slide action and get to different functionalities. Like in here, you're looking at the settings of all the different things that you can do. And then moving it over, we happen to be just basically going down here the line, which is the home page, sort of taskbar, if you want to call it that, because you can go settings. There's the text. There is Outlook, or in my case, Exchange Mail, and your default browser is set here with a couple of quick little snapshots that you can make, and the browser itself. I'll show you a quick example of how I made a shortcut to the Umail page, which is who does my voicemail. They don't make a native app for Windows Mobile like many companies don't, which really stinks. But they do make a very optimized mobile site that gives you very close to the same feel. So I can't complain too much. There should be a full screen on here, if I'm not mistaken. I guess I'm not seeing it. Maybe it's almost full screen. Well, you're not actually seeing what I wanted to show you, and this is a waste of time if I'm going to continue here and get no responses. We'll do one more shot at it, and then we'll go on to the next point and make sure that this video stays under 10 minutes so YouTube will actually approve it. Okay, this is umail.com, going through Opera Mobile 10. This is m.umail.com, which is the mobile version of their website for those that don't have a native application, such as the one they make for the iPhone or the Android. And I have tested those native apps over on them, and they are incredible. But for whatever reason, their mobile site doesn't seem to want to be happy, so we're just going to go and get out of that. We'll go back to the home page and see what kind of mess we can get ourselves into. To tell you the truth, and just one of the nice parts that I like, yes, you've got the scrolling down here where you can scroll through and you'll see how many text messages you have and how many messages in your combined email boxes. I decided to also add it up here, just in case you don't have access to here from certain screens. Basically, it takes you to the first message, and you can do get rid of the GUI and basically make it look like Windows Mobile 6.5 that you get out of the box, which is just a boring looking page like that. But why should you have a boring looking page like that? You can get all classic and stuff, and get into skinned mode. I mean, you can actually reply right from there by hitting the menu key and reply. It brings you back into that. Now we're in classic mode of SMS. Too long to get it over to the animated mode, but it's a lot nicer because this is just basically Windows Mobile 6 all over again. But you're looking at bits and pieces of what Windows 7 is going to be all about once it makes the final move here. The animated sun, pretty cool, don't you think? Let's go back. There it is. A quick little animation. Cool little clock. And what do we get ourselves as far as signal? Well, we're on the dock, so the speaker would be muted. We're on the Wi-Fi signal with a couple of bars from T-Mobile. So good to go. 85% of battery remaining at 1:59 in the AM, and you should be watching this on YouTube. And I want to thank you for watching this. I don't have anything official up quite yet. Just kind of waiting to get a feel for, does anybody even watch the stuff that I'm doing? I get a kick out of doing it. Let's put it that way. Probably feature videos in the future when I'm actually doing the cooking and getting this stuff on the phones themselves, as opposed to you seeing what happens after the fact. But there's Windows Mobile, there's iPhone, BlackBerry. Hey, look, iPhone. Is it on? Yes, it's on, and it's kind of a little themed too. When was the last time you saw an iPhone like that? Yeah, look at that. A little iPhone with the Android theme. Okay, things to look forward to. Be sure to visit my blog. It's new. It's blog.zipsmusic.com. And thanks again for watching. Have yourself a great day.